Alam nyo, sa dami ng property, ito na ata ang pinakamaganda kung saan ka dapat mag-invest. Naniniwala ka ba na may isang property na mayroong golf course, shopping mall, even airport sa loob nito? Kaya kung business owner ka or OFW who's looking where to invest, watch this video. This property is no other than Kamaya Coast in Bataan. And here are the top 3 reasons kung bakit dito ka dapat mag-invest. Number 1, property benefits. Alam nyo ba sa dami ng property sa buong Pilipinas, ito lang yung merong mall, golf course, white sand beach, and even airport sa loob nito. Yes, exclusive airport for the property owners. Kung saan soon ay magkakaroon ka rin ng access going to Boracay, Palawan, and even Japan. Meron din silang golf course kung saan pwede kayong maglaro ng friends at family mo. At ito pa, meron ka ding overlooking view ng West Philippine Sea from your balcony. Meron din silang malls, aqua park, white sand beach at napakarami pang iba. Number 2, best property investment. Alam nyo ba na noon yung price per square meter is just 5,000 pesos? And ngayon, umaabot na siya ng 30,000 per square meter. Syempre, dahil sa ongoing construction and development ng property. May property ka na soon to be para sa'yo, tumataas pa ang value ng pera mo, and at the same time, gumaganda pa ang vicinity mo. Hindi ka rin mauubusan ng choices kung anong property kasi they have different projects where you can invest in. They have beach condos kung gusto mo ng mala hotel vibes na property, or beach lots na pwede mong pagtayuan ng dream house mo, or even commercial lots kung business owner, this is the best for you. Why? Kasi soon, pwede ka na magpatayo ng business mo dito. Number 3, accessibility and payment terms. Alam nyo ba accessible ito through land, sea, and air? Kung gusto nyo mag-drive, pwede kasi may pinapatayong Cavite-Bataan Bridge kung saan 1 to 2 hours na lang tayo from Cavite. If by sea, we have operating ferries kung saan yung terminal is just in front of PICC in Pasay. And lastly, ang pinaka-favorite ko is by air. Kasi currently ongoing construction na ang airport ni Kamaya. Actually, may private airplane na ang company na ready na to take off once the airport is finished. For the meantime, ang pinaka the best and I recommend is through sea. Kasi in just 2 hours from Metro Manila ay pwede ka na pumunta sa Kamaya through our ferry. At alam nyo ano pang mas exciting? Kasi ngayon they have their biggest promo up to 29% discount if cash. So if you're planning to invest on a beach lot, from 3 million, you will have a discount up to 900,000 pesos. Kaya magiging 2.1 million na lang ito. Kung umabot ka sa part ng video na to, it's your sign to have this investment. Guys, to see is to believe. Kaya send us a message now para mabook ka na namin ng trip going to Kamaya. See you!